Adding a bay window is one of the most exciting upgrades you can make to your Lafayette home. Bay windows enhance curb appeal, increase natural light, and create additional interior space that can be used for seating, storage, or decor. If you're considering this upgrade, understanding what to expect during the installation process can help you feel confident and prepared from start to finish. Here's a step-by-step look at what typically happens during a professional bay window installation in Lafayette. Step 1. Initial consultation and measurements. The process begins with an in-home consultation. A window specialist will assess your current window opening, discuss your goals, and help you choose the right bay window style and materials for your home. In Lafayette's warm and humid climate, energy-efficient glass and moisture-resistant frame materials are especially important. During this stage, you'll review options such as double or triple pane insulated glass, low-E coatings, vinyl or fiberglass frames, interior trim and exterior finishes. Precise measurements are taken to ensure your new bay window fits perfectly. Accuracy here is essential because bay windows extend outward and require proper structural support. Step 2. Custom ordering and scheduling. Bay windows are typically custom built to fit your specific opening. Once measurements are finalized and materials selected, your window is ordered. Because of the custom nature of bay windows, there may be a short waiting period while your unit is manufactured. During this time, your installer will coordinate scheduling and provide an estimated installation date. Step 3. Preparing your home before installation day. There are a few simple preparations you can make. Remove curtains, blinds, and window treatments. Clear furniture away from the installation area. Remove fragile decor from nearby walls. Ensure pets are secured in a safe space. Professional installers will use drop cloths and protective coverings to shield your floors and surrounding areas from dust and debris. Step 4. Removing the existing window on installation day. The crew begins by carefully removing your current window and surrounding trim. They take care to minimize disruption to your interior and exterior finishes. Once the old window is removed, the opening is inspected for any signs of water damage, wood rot, or structural concerns. In Lafayette's humid climate, this inspection is especially important to ensure long-term durability. If minor repairs are needed, they are typically addressed before moving forward. Step 5. Structural support and installation. Because bay windows project outward from your home, proper support is crucial. Installers may reinforce the framing to ensure the new window is securely anchored. The bay window unit is then positioned into place and leveled carefully. It is fastened securely to the structure, ensuring stability and safety. High-quality insulation and sealants are applied around the frame to prevent air and water infiltration. Proper flashing is installed to protect against rain and moisture, especially important in Lafayette's weather conditions. Step 6. Finishing touches. After the window is securely installed, interior and exterior trim work is completed. The team ensures clean lines and a polished finish that blends seamlessly with your home's design. The glass is cleaned, hardware is tested, and the window's operation is demonstrated to you. Step 7. Final inspection and cleanup. A professional installation team will conduct a final walkthrough with you to ensure everything meets expectations. They will explain how to operate and maintain your new bay window for long-term performance. All debris and old materials are removed, leaving your home neat and ready to enjoy. The benefits you'll notice immediately after installation. You'll likely notice increased natural light, a more spacious feel, improved ventilation, if side panels are operable, enhanced curb appeal with energy-efficient glass and proper sealing. You may also experience improved indoor comfort and reduced energy waste. A worthwhile upgrade for Lafayette homes. While a bay window installation may seem like a major project, professional planning and expert craftsmanship make the process smooth and manageable. For Lafayette homeowners, installing a bay window is more than an aesthetic upgrade. It's an investment in beauty, comfort, and long-term home value.